How to enable profile view history on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open the app and you can see this is the desktop of the TikTok. At the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus, inbox and the profile. Click on the profile. When you have to click on the profile, this type of page will appear. Click at the three lines which appear at the right top corner and click on the settings and the privacy. This type of page will appear. There is an option of the privacy. Click on it. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. By scrolling this bar at the second last, there is option of profile views. When you have to turn it off and turn it on by enabling the profile view history, turn it on. In this way you can take over the view profile view history. You can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.